Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we will cover part 1 of banking and financial awareness for the month of April. I have already uploaded January series, February series and March series. You can check that out in the playlist section of my channel. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, Probationary Officers, IBPS Mains, RRB Mains, RBI Assistant Mains and RBI Grade B Prelims Examination. We will cover banking and financial awareness of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have 10 plus MCQs, and overall we will cover 50 plus MCQs for each month. Weightage of banking and financial awareness section is indeed very huge in general awareness section. In IBPS mains, SBI mains and RBI assistant mains, around 15 plus question appear from this section out of 40. In RBI grade B prelims, around 25 plus question directly come from banking and financial awareness section out of 80. Before covering MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and bank headquarters. Oriental Bank of Commerce and Union Bank of India are merged into Punjab National Bank, Syndicate into Canara Bank, Allahabad into Indian Bank, Dena and Vijaya into Bank of Baroda. So here is a shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters. If any bank name contains Bank of India in its name, the headquarters is in Mumbai. For example, Bank of India headquarters is in Mumbai, Central Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank of India, State Bank of India, Union Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India. All of them, they have their headquarters in Mumbai and they contain Bank of India in their name. If bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai, like Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. If bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarters is in New Delhi, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. So this is a shortcut trick. Let's begin our MCQ series. If bank name starts with United, their headquarters is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. So the first question, Government of India announced inflation rate of dash with 2% tolerance band for the next 5 years. So the inflation rate is 4%. So Government of India is planning to maintain inflation rate of 4% with tolerance level of 2% for next 5 years. Dash collaborated with Tide India platform to provide bank accounts for small and medium enterprises, which is SME, customers of Tide India. Here's RBL Bank. RBL collaborated with Tide India platform. What is the tagline of RBL Bank? RBL Bank का tagline है अपनों का बैंक. Important question for static. Next question. Dash signed a $1 billion loan agreement with Japan Bank for international cooperation to provide loans to Japanese automobile manufacturers in India. So SBI signed a $1 billion loan agreement with Japan Bank. SBI Japan Bank $1 billion loan agreement, Japanese automobile manufacturers. Next question. Government of India has infused rupees dash crores in 4 weak public sector banks. So Government of India has infused 1500 crore in 4 weak public sector banks because of high NPAs. Next question. Dash signed MOU with Spices Board India for supply chain transparency in the e-Spice Bazaar portal. तो किसने MOU साइन किया है स्पाइसेस बोर्ड के साथ? UNDP Spices Board India supply chain transparency for e-Bazaar portal. Next question. World Bank approved loan worth $32 million to Dash for health services. So World Bank $32 million loan, Mizoram. Next question. Dash launched a new savings account, Rewards 123, that offers benefits for customers for every digital transaction. मतलब कस्टमर जितने डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन करता है उस पर उसको रिवॉर्ड मिलता है. सो दैट न्यू सेविंग्स अकाउंट इज लॉन्च्ड बाय एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक. एयरटेल पेमेंट्स बैंक रिवार्ड्स 123. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Jana Small Finance Bank collaborated with Dash to offer banking and investment services to its customers through a 3-in-1 account. So, as you can see in the picture, Janus Small Finance Bank collaborated with Axis Security. So, there are around 10 small finance banks in India, like Janus Small Finance Bank, Equitas Small Finance Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, and others. Equitas Small Finance Bank. So, Janus Small Finance Bank, Axis Security, 3-in-1 account offering banking and investment services. Next question. AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Its president is Jin Liqin. Where is the headquarters of AIIB? Headquarters of AIIB is in Beijing, China. AIIB headquarters, Beijing, China. Next question. The Monetary Policy Committee has increased the balance limit of mobile wallets to Dash to promote mobile payment. It is 2 lakhs. So Monetary Policy Committee in its recent meeting, they have increased the balance limit of mobile wallets to 2 lakhs. Earlier it was 1 lakh, now it has increased to 2 lakhs. So what is the motive behind this? मतलब जब तक मोबाइल वॉलेट्स में ज़्यादा पैसा रहेगा, मतलब 2 lakhs तक लोग ज़्यादा ट्रांजैक्शन करेंगे और इससे मोबाइल पेमेंट को बढ़ावा मिलेगा. तो दिस इज द मोटिव. सो द बैलेंस लिमिट ऑफ मोबाइल वॉलेट्स, it has increased to 2 lakhs. It's the recent decision by Monetary Policy Committee. So additional information, there are 12 public sector banks in India. 6 are merged, 6 are independent. Which are the merged ones? SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, Indian Bank, Canara Bank, and Union Bank of India. They are the merged banks. Which are the independent banks? UCO Bank, BOM, which is Bank of Maharashtra, Punjab and Sindh Bank, Bank of India, Central Bank of India, and Indian Overseas Bank. So they are the independent bank. 6 merged, 6 independent, to overall 12 public sector banks. If you liked this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new. This series will continue till December, till IBPS mains. Thanks.